To find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix, you need to do the following. If we have our matrix A, with that's a 2 by 2 with entries A, B, C, D, then A inverse can be found by doing 1 over A times D minus B times C multiplied by the matrix D, negative B, negative C, A. And we get this matrix by taking our matrix A and taking A and D and switching their positions, and then taking B and C and flipping their signs. So this is the formula you got to use. So let's put this into action. So we have the matrix A, 4, 5, 2, 3, and we're going to find its inverse. So first things first is I'm going to do A times D minus B times C to find out the denominator of this fraction. So A times D minus B times C is going to be 4 times 3, so it's 12, minus B times C, so 5 times 2, so it'll give me 10, and then that will end up giving me a 2. So there's that, and now I can do my 1 over AD minus BC, and I'm going to multiply it by the matrix D, negative B, negative C, positive A. So A and D are flipping, so 3 and 4 are changing position, so this is going to be 3 and this is going to be 4. And then 5 and 2 are going to flip signs, so negative 5 and negative 2. So I just switch positions for A and D and switch the signs of B and C. Now I can just multiply every entry inside my matrix by a half and get my inverse. So 1/2 times 3 is 3 halves. 1/2 times negative 5 is negative 5 halves. 1/2 times negative 2 is negative 1. And then 1/2 times 4 is 2. So this will be my inverse matrix of A. Now I'm going to do it again for this matrix. 6, negative 3, negative 8, positive 4. So I'm going to find AD minus BC. So AD minus BC. So 6 times 4, 24, minus negative 8 times negative 3 is positive 24, which gives me 0. Now because this gives me 0, I can say that there is no inverse matrix. All because A times D minus B times C gives me 0. If that's 0, then there's no inverse matrix. Last, we have the matrix 2, 5, negative 5, negative 13. So again, AD minus BC. So 2 times negative 13 is negative 26, minus negative 5 and positive 5 is going to give me negative 25. So that's going to be negative 25, so it's a positive 25, which will end up giving me negative 1. So now I'm going to go through my 1 over matrix, so 1 over negative 1. And that's really nice. That's going to end up just going to be a negative 1. Multiply by my matrix, which I again take A and D and flip them, so negative 13 and positive 2. And then take my signs for 5 and negative 5 and switch them. So this will be a negative 5 and this will be a positive 5. And now I just multiply the negative 1 across everything, and I'm going to end up with negative is a positive 13, positive 5, negative 5, negative 2. So this will be my inverse matrix for the matrix given.